Hey there! Welcome to our video on 10 low-cost and nutritious meal ideas. We understand how challenging it can be to eat healthy on a budget, but with the right ingredients and some creativity, it's definitely doable. In this video, we will be sharing some easy recipes that will not only save you money but also provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. So, let's get started. Meal 1: Overnight Oats. For our first meal, we have an easy and delicious breakfast idea: overnight oats. This meal only requires a few ingredients, including rolled oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, and your choice of fruit. Simply mix all the ingredients together in a jar and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, you'll have a tasty and filling breakfast that will keep you energized throughout the day. Meal 2: Lentil Soup. Next up, we have a hearty and nutritious meal: lentil soup. This recipe only requires a few cheap ingredients, such as lentils, veggies, and broth. Cook all the ingredients together in a pot and you'll have a delicious and comforting soup that's perfect for colder days. Meal 3: Sweet Potato and Black Bean Quesadilla. For our third meal, we have a vegetarian-friendly quesadilla that's packed with flavor and nutrients. This recipe requires sweet potatoes, black beans, cheese, and tortillas. Cook all the ingredients together in a pan and you'll have a delicious and filling meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Meal 4: Chickpea and Vegetable Stir-Fry. For a quick and easy meal, try making a chickpea and vegetable stir-fry. This recipe only requires a few ingredients, including chickpeas, veggies, and your choice of sauce. Simply cook all the ingredients together in a pan and you'll have a healthy and tasty meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. Meal 5: Baked Salmon and Vegetables. Next up, we have a protein-packed meal that's perfect for dinner: baked salmon and vegetables. This meal requires fresh salmon, veggies, and herbs. Season the salmon and vegetables with your choice of herbs and bake them in the oven for a healthy and flavorful meal. Meal 6: Hummus and Veggie Wrap. For a quick and easy lunch idea, try making a hummus and veggie wrap. This recipe only requires a few ingredients, including hummus, veggies, and a tortilla. Simply spread the hummus on the tortilla, add your choice of veggies, and wrap it all up for a healthy and filling meal. Meal 7: Tuna Salad. Next up, we have a classic meal idea: tuna salad. This recipe only requires a few ingredients, including canned tuna, veggies, and Greek yogurt. Mix all the ingredients together and serve it on a bed of lettuce for a tasty and nutritious meal. Meal 8: Black Bean Burgers. For our 8th meal, we have a vegetarian-friendly burger option: black bean burgers. This recipe requires black beans, breadcrumbs, and your choice of seasonings. Mix all the ingredients together and form them into patties, then cook them on a skillet for a healthy and tasty meal. Meal 9: Vegetable Omelette. For a nutritious and filling breakfast option, try making a vegetable omelette. This recipe requires eggs, veggies, and cheese. Simply whisk the eggs, add your choice of veggies and cheese, and cook it all together in a pan for a healthy and satisfying meal. Meal 10: Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Last but not least, we have a yummy and healthy snack option: peanut butter banana smoothie. This recipe only requires a few ingredients, including frozen bananas, peanut butter, and milk. Blend all the ingredients together and you'll have a delicious and filling smoothie that's perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up. And there you have it: 10 low-cost and nutritious meal ideas that are easy to make and perfect for those on a budget. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some helpful meal ideas. If you have any other low-cost and nutritious meal ideas, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.